Hello Pixar fans! Today I'm going to show you this new Color Changers collection from Mattel called Color Splash Buddies from Toy Story. Here we have Shark and RC, Bullseye and Slinky Dog, Hat Tip Woody and Wheezy, Zurg with action hero Buzz Lightyear. Each package has 2 Color Splash Buddies, and they're all made of plastic, which is perfect to dunk in the water. They measure from 1.5 to 3 inches tall. Now it's time to get wet. So here's Wheezy. Let's dunk him in the cold water. He goes from white to green. Warm water. Immediately. See how fun it is? Cold water, warm water. Next one is RC. He goes from green to brown. Now let's change again. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Immediately. See that? Let's try again. Cold water. Now we have a brown RC. And warm water. Next one is the evil Zurg. Dunk him in the cold water. See what's good for you. Now warm water. Next one is Hat Tip Woody. Now let's see, cold water. Next one is Mr. Shark. Action hero Buzz Lightyear. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Let's do this again. Slinky Dog. And the last one is Bullseye. And they're perfect to play in your Slide and Surprise playground playset from Toy Story. Warm water is fine, no need to be hot. But cold water has to be icy cold. Tap water will not work. Alright YouTubers, thanks for watching this review, hope you liked it. and click on any of these links to watch more videos from Toy Story. Thanks again and see you next time.